welcome back to another one of my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ruthie, as always. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what I actually got in the market, and we're going to be unboxing it together. So I know all the things I need, but these are the ones I got at the market. Once those ones arrive, I'm going to unbox. For now, let's unbox this one together. Okay, so I got this. This is an electric kettle, revolutionize cordless kettle. I got this because it's 2.2 liter. Yeah, and it's a cordless kettle. And I'm actually using my camera and my phone today. And I wanted a perfect video. Okay, I love this color. I thought it was actually black that was inside though, but it's red. Okay, not bad. This one is 2.2 aerosonic product, and that is all. I don't need to pass the ticket here, blah. Yeah, so this is how it's used. It's just like the previous one I had before. So guys, this is what my before kettle looks like. You can see it's broken. I have to sellotape it. But now I just have to throw this away because it's no longer working. And I love this one very much. So moving on. Okay, so this is a pressure pot, guys. For the longest of time I've been wanting to get this pressure pot, and I've been so lazy to go to the market and buy this. Put on the stress and I went to the market and get this stuff. Okay, so this is the pressure pot, so beautiful, and it's actually very needed in the house. So many work that this will do for me, like preparing on my base. I don't have to start stressing. I'll just put it inside and wait for like 10 to 15 minutes. I know it's going to be more than that, maybe like 20 minutes. And then my beans will be ready, very soft. Actually, there's more to this pot though. It's not only things that you can eat it with. In Anchor product, and they have other beautiful items. Can you see? And this is the manual on how I'm going to use to fix it, because I can see some funny things here. Yes, I have to sit round here also, so it can actually keep very well to the pot, and the water is not, or the heat is not going to escape. And once it's ready, it's something like this. So that's the pressure pot. As the second item I got, and this actually, I want to put this one by the wall. Can you see? So I can use it to hang something. Because in my kitchen you can see it's fully tiled, and I don't want to situation where I start eating hammer all day. Well, I don't want to spoil anything. This is not my house, so you should not go and break. That's actually good. So it's going to be easy for me to hang whatever thing I want to hang. Like I already have one though for my spoon, but it's going to be for my napkin and anything I want to hang as well. So yeah, is the other one. This is also used to hang stuff like kettle, because I really want to hang so many things. Like my spoon especially, I'll be getting a new set of spoon because I actually forgot on Saturday that I went to the market. So I'm going to be getting a new set of spoon, and this I'm going to be using. I'll be removing that one and using this one, and using this one to hand it. I don't know if it makes sense. Probably when I'm arranging it, you get to understand what I'm saying. And yeah, this is one of my favorites, guys. I've wanted to get this pot. Not that I don't have pot, though. I do have, in fact, I have a lot of pots. I just want something fancy, something nice, to spice up my kitchen, yeah, because you understand what I'm saying. In this color, actually I wanted black, but she doesn't have black. No, I just need to get it and leave the market because we're getting later. I needed to leave the market. Okay, so this is the pot. Can you guys see? Let me show you a closer view. Oh no, my phone has actually stopped recording, and oh my god, it's so beautiful. And I guess I have a lot of work to do. And these are the screws that comes with it. They are not fixed actually, so I'm going to be fixing them. So, oops. So it comes in 3 sets. I wanted the one that is actually big because the ones that have the ones that have fry pan and have more sets, they are very small. And because we are growing in this house and we eat a lot, so I need something that can sustain our stomach. That's why I actually got this big pot. Wow, this is so beautiful. Can you guys see? And it comes in 3 sets, and this product is Sumo products. They actually have other products as well. I don't know if it's here that I saw it. I don't know if it's here. Okay, I guess not then. They have other products. They have fry pans and deep fryer, something like that, yeah. But I got it in the pot, the Sumo product. I actually wanted to get one product for all this kitchen equipment, but where I actually got this and this is not where I got the kettle. And yeah, so the pot is what I actually love most, because why not? I want fancy and I got fancy, and I love this fact that this small pot can still prepare at least like 1 week of rice now, because I already have different sets of pots and I have very small pots. I have about 3 sets of pots, and those 3 sets have smaller ones. So I'm still going to be using them because they're not bad. I just wanted something new that I actually got this set, so I'll be using them alongside one another. So I'm going to try and fix the handle for the pot. Okay, not the handle part, that's the cover. I don't have to drive. I would have loved to do it now. Probably I will do it maybe after this video, when I'm trying to do it, or probably when I'm about to use it, then I'm just going to use it. And yeah, so that's all I got from the market, and more are still coming, but for now let's just wrap it up here. And yeah, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching my unboxing video, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.